Hey guys, we've got Simon's 79 series dual cab here, which we've just completed a fit out on. We've put this one together with some of the best brands and best products. We're going to take you through the build and break it down. Let's start with the Jmacx coil conversion. With the GVM and suspension here, Simon's gone with the Jmacx coil conversion. He's opted for the 4200 GVM and a 4-inch suspension lift. These packages include the coil conversion on the rear suspension, the widened rear diff housing, which accepts coil springs and gives us a higher axle load rating, the front and rear suspension, which includes the 4-inch lift, the brake upgrade, which is a set of braided lines and a brake booster. We've also got a heavy-duty clutch to handle the additional weight, a Torqit exhaust system to route through the coil springs, and a set of Airbag man helpers as well. As part of the coil conversion, we do fit load-rated wheels and tyres, and with the 4-inch lift, they're legal to be 35-inch in diameter. We've got the BF Goodrich Muddies and the ROH Assault rims. All of this is put together and done pre-rego under SSM as part of the Jmacx coil conversion. Moving on to our bar work, Simon's gone with the ARB Large Tube Deluxe bar. We've fitted up a set of Stedi driving lights, a Bushranger winch, the ARB recovery point, and a Marks 4-wheel drive bash plate. Moving on to the side steps, we've got the ARB Summit large tube. Now all of this bar work's being colour coded in graphite to match with the factory paintwork. We've also fitted up a set of our Line-X coated tread plates. These provide additional grip, they look really neat, and they're long lasting and hard wearing as well. As with most of our builds, we've fitted up the Safari R-Max snorkel, and to change it up a little bit, Simon's gone for the MSA towing mirrors and an ARB base rack on the roof. We've mounted the GME fold-down aerial up on the roof, which is connected to the GME XRS UHF in on the dashboard. Simon will be using this cruiser for some towing. We've fitted up the Marks 4-wheel drive high clearance tow bar, which has inbuilt recovery points. We've wired up the Redarc TowPro electric brake controller, and we've also fitted an Anderson plug as well, which will supply the power to his trailer. We've kept the interior fit out pretty simple on this one. Simon's gone for a set of black duck 4-element seat covers. We've installed the cruiser console's center console with fridge, and we've also got a AAA Fabrications child restraint behind the back seat. So that's about all for this package on Simon's 79 series. We're really happy with the way it's come together, and Simon, thank you so much for choosing Jackson's 4x4 to build your 79. The car's going to head back off to the dealer now for a pre-delivery clean and handover. In the comments, guys, let us know what you would change about this if it was your Land Cruiser. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel to see more of these videos.